Alright you fellows, today we're going to check out how I made this holographic sticker logo here in ChatGPT. Okay, so I was really curious how this AI is going to perform when it comes to like realistic sticker mockup logo situations or whatnot. So yeah, pretty much this is what it turned out. I thought it's going to create some insane results, but unfortunately after these years of AI development and evolution, we're still at AI slop and shit. I see the results came out kind of average, but I'm still going to show you the process how to do this. So let's take a look. Okay, so now we're in ChatGPT and all you need to do is just drag and drop an image. And basically this should be in JPEG, PNG, or SVJ. I did try all of them. Unfortunately, the JPEG and PNG performed the best. And check this out, for the prompt, I'm gonna use a whole novel here. And of course, I'm gonna hit send, and then I'm gonna explain it to you what's going on in this prompt. And by the way, I didn't craft it, but ChatGPT crafted after I did guide the AI what to do and how to do it. So this way, with this complex prompt, it is going to generate as accurate as possible logo sticker in a most realistic scenario. But unfortunately, it still is going to do average with these complex, super highly engineered prompts. You also can copy paste this prompt. I'm gonna add it in the description. So for example, here we got like strict logo preservation, preserve its original lettering, spelling, proportions, curve, spacing, silhouette. Now I did had to mention this thing because when I did upload SVJs, it just did other stuff and it generated other logos and it was quite annoying. And then you got a composition. The main point is to make the composition into the center. It had to be isolated this as well because sometimes it generated the logo on the left or on the right and whatnot. You got the materials and finish. Now here you can see the full description, all the details, how this glossy iridescent logo is going to look like and what colors it is going to include, and a bunch of super high details. And then I also had to include specifically the peeled corner because sometimes it added the peeled corner, sometimes it did not. And it also has to have a realistic peeled corner because most of the time when it generated, the peeled corner didn't look correct. You also got lighting and camera because that also had to be fixed. Background, color and contrast. You got the usual style, ultra realistic, product photography, premium packaging mockup, and so on and so forth. And then not least, you also got the avoid. And then check this out, painterly textures, illustrated appearance, AI generated brush marks, melted or blurry outlines, and so on and so forth. So these are the things that makes it as AI slop. So even if you add this thing to avoid, it won't avoid it. So this is basically the final result. And as you can see, it still couldn't generate a correct damn sticker how I want. So yeah, it's still gonna make it painty now. It's kind of, halfway realistic and whatnot, but it's still a long way to make it realistic. So mainly these results are perfect for Canva users and for the average business owners who don't have the budget and skills to design shit. So pretty much that's how you work with this. And here we are with this AI thing, guys. Let me know what you think about this. See you on the next one.